Yeah. Okay, so this is a quick empty apartment tour because the movers will be at the other place in about 10 minutes. So I'll go through it. This is the new place I'm in, so I'll go through it real quickly. I'm at the door. So if you walk in, you're in like a foyer hallway type of thing. And to the right is the coat closet. And immediately to your left is the guest bedroom, which I'm going to turn into my little gym. It has a walk-in closet, a small walk-in closet, and a bathroom. A lot of storage in there as well. Okay, and this bedroom also has a little window right there. And you come out the bedroom and you're in the foyer again, but then you're in the the living room slash dining room. Okay, so the living room has like a little window up there, a big window right there, and the dining room over there. And then off the dining room is the balcony. Nice spacious balcony. It does have storage out there. Okay, and then over to the left of the dining room is the kitchen. And I'm used to a walk-in pantry, so it has this little pantry like this, but it's spacious, so it'll work. Okay, the sink, cabinet, stove, microwave, and off the kitchen is the laundry room, just a little laundry room. And then off the kitchen, you're right back in the living room, dining room area. And then this area is my bedroom, the queen's room. Okay. And it has a walk-in closet, a nice spacious walk-in closet. Okay, and also a bathroom. Okay, and the bedroom window actually faces the pool as well, but the tree there is kind of in the way, so you can't get a full view of the pool. But I like it because it does give you a little bit of privacy since this is my bedroom. But okay, and back out into the dining room slash living room. All right, yeah. Oh, and it has a computer. Look, this is why I'm not turning that room into a computer room. I'm gonna just use this out here and use that spare room for something else. All right. Oh, and I do enjoy the view, but it used to be a bocce-ball court. See where the it's kind of blurry. I hope you guys can see where the dead grass is right there. It was a bocce, I don't know how you pronounce it, little court right there, and they took that up. So it's only a pool over here now. And this is the second pool. My complex has two pools, and this is the smaller one, but it's cute. It has little casitas and everything, so I will be out there chilling. All right, y'all. This is an empty apartment tour. All right. Later.